How to add contacts in monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Create a contact management board. Open a new board and name it Client Contacts or Vendor List. 2. Add contact details columns. Include columns for name, email, phone number, company, and notes. 3. Import existing contacts. If you have a list in Excel or another tool, use the import feature to bring contacts into monday.com. 4. Use labels to categorize contacts. Add labels like client, vendor, partner, or internal contact for better organization. Enable the email integration. Connect your email account to send messages directly from monday.com. 6. Set reminders for follow-ups. Use the automation tool to create reminders for upcoming calls or meetings with contacts. 7. Share the contact list with your team. Adjust permissions to allow relevant team members to view or edit the contact database.